Have you ever wondered how NFTs are revolutionizing the social club scene? Welcome to the world where blockchain technology intersects with social networking, the NFT social clubs. Here, membership isn't just a card, but an NFT, a non-fungible token, a unique digital token akin to a rare piece of art. Owning one opens up exclusive access to a community of enthusiasts. With the innovative properties of NFTs, these clubs foster a sense of exclusivity and connection among members. Your NFT, a digital key, unlocks a world of exclusive benefits and events only accessible to NFT owners. It's about more than owning digital art. It's about belonging to a club, a community that shares your passions. More than exclusivity, these clubs offer hosts a platform to increase earnings by selling NFT memberships and offering exclusive experiences. The blend of exclusivity and connection made possible by NFTs sets these clubs apart. NFTs are not just digital art pieces, they are keys to exclusive social experiences. The journey of NFT social clubs is as intriguing as the concept itself. Spawned from the union of blockchain technology and social media, these clubs have altered how we perceive online communities. Initially, NFTs were chiefly utilized for trading digital art, yet visionaries realized the promise of these distinct digital properties to construct a novel social platform. The earliest NFT social clubs thus emerged. These elite groups granted membership via ownership of a particular NFT. Over time, NFT social clubs have transformed remarkably. Today, NFTs serve more than just membership tickets. They're digital passports that open up a universe of select advantages and occasions. Envision attending a virtual concert or an online class, all restricted to members of your NFT social club. Club hosts have discovered innovative ways to monetize their spaces, introducing a new income source that traditional advertising or subscription models. They also provide unique experiences and content, increasing their revenue. Platforms for trading these NFTs have also expanded. Rarible and OpenSea are prime examples of popular marketplaces, becoming the portals to these exclusive clubs. Essentially, NFT clubs have expanded from exclusive online groups into intricate social spaces, delivering unique experiences and benefits. The evolution of NFT social clubs has been a testament to the innovative application of blockchain technology in our social lives. Let's take a dive into the world of some top NFT social clubs. Our first stop, Friends with Benefits, has gained traction in the NFT community, offering a cultivated network connected by club-specific NFT ownership. On deck, Maxwell Tribeca, standing for more than just a club. It provides immersive experiences through exclusive events and networking opportunities. Ownership of a Maxwell Tribeca NFT is like possessing a golden pass for a world apart. Concluding our tour is the Flyfish Club, an oasis for fly fishing enthusiasts. Exclusivity is its unique selling point, coupled with access to bespoke resources and events. Membership costs for these clubs vary, mirroring the diverse experiences they provide. Rarible and OpenSea are among the platforms where you can acquire these NFTs. These clubs signify how NFTs are reshaping our social experiences. The impact of NFT social clubs is far-reaching and profound. These clubs, pioneers in the digital community, are revolutionizing the traditional social club landscape. They play a vital role in our perspective towards social interactions and memberships. Inclusivity and diversity are now inherent in the crypto realm due to these clubs. They eliminate geographical boundaries, enabling global participation. These clubs have infused a new energy into conventional social club culture, introducing the innovative concept of digital ownership. This has reshaped the club experience, making it more intimate and significant. Members are actively involved, carrying a vested interest in the club's future. In addition, NFT social clubs are opening the gates to exclusive experiences that were once restricted to the privileged. Membership is no longer about social standing or wealth, but hinges on a digital asset's ownership. This transition is empowering individuals and nurturing an equitable community. These clubs, blending the digital with the physical, are rewriting the rules of social interactions. NFT clubs, bridging the gap between the digital and the physical, are redefining the future of social interactions.